Hi mommies. Shelf this week has this setup for cutting banana. I peel the banana and then I put it here on this small chopping board, and I show it to Nitya how she can cut it using this training knife. Next we have a push car and a small pretend plant. I got it from IKEA. I thought it would be a little big in size, but it's very small. So, and this one is just an air pump used to blow the balloons. We are just using it for practicing her strength, grip and hand strength, arm strength basically. This is the whole activity. I have put all the blocks this time because she can now handle them pretty well, so that's why. Next we have xylophone back on the shelf because Nitya is actually enjoying it, and she starts making music and starts dancing. Next on the shelf, this is a hands me down activity. My sister-in-law gave it to. So it's basically a fish with a velcro strip and these felt cutouts. So they are basically just to put them and take them off, so that it is actually a good practice, and Nitya is enjoying it. Next on the shelf we have one knob shaped puzzles back here. I have introduced them earlier, but Nitya was not interested in them at the time, so this time again they are on the shelf after some time, and she indulged in them like once or twice, I guess. Good improvement, I will say. Next here is this coin drop DIY bottle. Along with the coin drop, we are also practicing opening it, although it's very not easy for her, but I just twist and turn a little bit, make it a little bit loose, and then she practices loosening it more and more. So one activity, two ways. Next we have this literacy basket. We have two this time. So this one is for color red. We are actually learning about, not learning, but basically pointing things that are red around the house. So this basket is just a random collection of items that are red in color. So every time she picks up an object, we just tell it that it's a red sieve, a red ball, a red block, a red card, a red box, so or anything around the house. So that is basically, we just point it out and say red and whatever the item is. And this literacy basket has farm animals this time: cow, goat, sheep, ox and horse. And she just opens it randomly, and I just tell her which animal, pointing it out. So she actually enjoys it, and she learned starfish from the last time the literacy basket we had. So she learned starfish and octopus. She learned two of those, so I guess it's a good start for us. Okay, so this much only on the shelf this time. See you guys next time. Bye bye.